Welcome everybody, this is a popular question appearing on the social media. Let me draw the triangle first. Okay. This angle is 120 degrees, but there is a bisector that is hitting this line. Okay, I'm going to take this line as ABC. BC is the line. This is given as 2x, this is given as x, this length is given as 10 units. We have to find this length L. Now, there are different ways to solve this question. Okay, but I would be using the direct formula. Now clearly we are given that this line is a bisector, right? It is actually dividing this angle into two parts. So what I would be using is what is called as the angle bisector formula. So from the figure, AB is equal to x, AC is equal to 2 times x. So the bisector, the value or the formula that is relating or associating with the bisector is as follows. So 2 times AB multiplied with AC times cos of the angle A over 2 divided by AB plus AC. Now this is actually bisector length. Okay, a very important formula which will give you the solution instantly. Now from the figure we have the bisector length as 10. AB is x, AC is 2 times x, angle A is 120 divided by x positive 2x. So this is going to be 2 into 2, that's 4, x into x, x squared, 120 over 2, cos 60 degrees, x added with 2x, that's 3x. I'm going to rewrite this as 4 over 3, x and x can be cancelled, x times cos of 60, that's 1 over 2. And you have 10 here. So 2 divides here 2 times, 2 divides here 5 times, 3 into 5, 15. So this means the value of x is equal to 15. So if this is 15, what is this? 30. And we need this L. So I will use cosine rule. Cosine rule is being used. So what is that cosine rule? L squared is equal to 15 squared plus 30 squared negative 2 times 15 times 30 into cosine of this angle 120. So 15 squared is 225, 30 squared is 900. This is 30 into 30, that's 900. Cos of 120 is negative 1 over 2. And then you have L squared there. So you add these two together, what do you get? You get a 5 there, a 2 there, and 11 there. Negative, negative, positive, 2 divides here 450 times. So what do you have here? 1125 added with 450. So you get a 5 and then 7, 5 and then 1. 1575 is the value you are getting. So L squared is equal to 1575. So L is equal to root of 1575. but I can rewrite 1575 as 225 multiplied with 7. 7 5s are 35, 3, 14, 17, 1, 14, 15. Okay. So this is equal to root of 225 multiplied with 7, which can be rewritten as root of 225 times root of 7. Root of 225 is 15 and you have a root 7 there. So therefore L is equal to what? 15 times the root of 7, whatever be the units. So this is the final solution for this question, all because of this powerful formula. Okay, so this is the code. Thank you everybody. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.